Good morning. We are welcome to Natural Blessing videos. Now time is 0640 hours. Yeah, please enjoy birds, nice clouds. Today is 18 September. Location is between Valsao and Majorda Beach. You can witness sunrise rays over the clouds. Yeah, this is more bright. Very thickly populated with coconut trees. Pin drop silence. You can only enjoy the greenery. And I'm very near to small coconut, which has got coconuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and small 5. This. This is coconut garden, small. And through these coconut trees, you can see the sea waves. I'll go more near. Yeah. No, I'll go more near. It is little risky because downside grass is there, and it's early in the morning, lonely area. Yeah, these are the sea waves, that white in color. Small, totally neat and clean, greenery field area type. So in between coconut tree, devdar trees are there. By the time we will move into this field, we will witness full sunrise. Through the coconut trees. Yeah, this gives a lot of happiness, brightness, and very peace to anyone. That's why I keep requesting to all my viewers to give their brilliant ideas for improvement. You can see sunrise, and then few flowers. Yeah, one more field is there. That seems to be private property. We will try to grab its view. Yeah, it is not allowed, so we will not take any. We will not violate their privacy and their terms and conditions. Yeah. Okay, we will go back towards the sea. I'll try my best to go as soon as possible so that video can continue. Sand, nice, very clean. That's this grass. Yeah. This is little upper side. Now we have come closer to seashore. Again, sunrise view. Yeah, this is seashore area, which is between Valsava and Vajota beach. You can see fishermen. They are trying their luck early in the morning to get something. Yeah, some pets are enjoying. Just fishermen. They have put the rope with the net. He's trying to pull. Yeah, now you can see the view opposite of sunrise. Nice rays on the sea waves. That's a little hilly area, which is Poland area, and this is Juari area, upper side, and few boats are there. Today it is little rough, is sea is little rough. Sorry, corrections. Yeah, nice clouds. Sunrise through these banana trees. Okay, I'm calling off now. Hope you must have enjoyed my video. Please subscribe it and give your valuable comments. Thanks a lot. God bless. Take care.